Hello, everyone. Welcome. Yes, welcome today. Yes, it's weekend. Today in the daily newspaper on Saturday. Yes, Saturday, February the 12th, 2022. We have here two regular Sudokus. First one is a medium Sudoku, and the second one, this is a quintuplet. And I've told you I won't do them anymore. Too much for me. Time consuming, because for a quintuplet I need more than an hour to solve. So I have dropped this couple weeks ago, I believe. Well, if there are no puzzles, I will do a quintuplet. But now we have a regular medium Sudoku. Yes, our practice still continues. And we have here also in this Saturday newspaper. Look, Saturday, February the 12th, 2022. 6 extra puzzles. First one is letter Sudoku. Then we have a 2 stars. The 3 stars, the tectonic with 4 stars. The binary and a tectonic with 1 star. And those puzzles I'm not interested. So today I will do a medium Sudoku. Then half of the additional I will solve, the 3 stars, the tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary. And tomorrow on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so I will do the rest of the puzzles, the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, and the tectonic I will solve. Okay, but first let me solve this baby number. This will be number. Let me zoom this and focus this. Come on. Yeah. Focus this. Okay. This will be number 4116. Yes. 4116. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 1 star. And for a 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see. So it's almost 3 minutes past. So let's get started. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1, okay. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there, and only place left for the 4 should be there. Right. 4. Okay. Then. Let me see. 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in the middle column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. Here an 8 in the third row, so no 8 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 8. Okay. 9. Interesting. 3 in the third. Sorry, 3 in the last column. 3 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2, 1, 5, 1, 1. 2, 1, 5, 2, 1, 5, 2, 1, 5. Okay. 6, 7, 7, 7, 7. 6. 6 6 8 8. Come on, come on. 3 3. Well. We have a pair, 1 and a 6 in this column, 1 and a 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair, 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. Then. 8 5 2 2 5 and a 9. 2 5 and a 9. Okay. 5 9 and 8. 5 9 8 9 9 9. Yeah. I'm scanning. 9 9 9 9 9. 3 3 4 4. 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4. Okay. Come on. We have a pair. We are in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and 8. We have a 4 and 8 in the last column, so no 4 and 8 in this box. We have a 4 and 8 in this row, so no 4 and 8 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Alright. 295. Okay, 295. Interesting. 4 4 8 8. Okay. 9 9 7 7 7 7. Come on. 7 7. 6 6 3 3. 3. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the second row, 1 of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in the second row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6 and a 7 is missing. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 5 and a 7. Okay. Alright, so we have a 5 in the first row, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers. In the last column, 4 numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2. It goes there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are missing. 8 and a 9. That means we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box cannot be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 7 it goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So no 9 in this box. The 9 should be there, and the 2 goes here. Alright. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first row. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, so we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 9. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those numbers are the 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. Alright. Okay. We have a 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Do we have all the 1s? Let me count, and all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1. Okay, all right. Then how about the number? Let me see the number. How about the number? This number in this row. The missing number here is the number 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. All right, 5 is missing. 5 is missing. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. And look, we have a 3 and a 4 in this column. So no 3 and a 4 in this box. The 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 2. Okay, all right. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So third column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 3. Okay. How about the 4? 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 4. Okay. Then 1 box left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. Now we have a 7 here, so this box can be 7 or more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing and 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. Okay. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row B3, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Then. How about these two missing numbers, 6 and 8. 6 and 8 are missing. Well, we see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 it goes there. Now we have 8 there, so this box give me 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 9. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 6 it goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. Now we have 1 box left here. I've already filled in here the 6, so this box, 1 box left in this big square should be the 8. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 it goes there. Final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and a 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Little bit slower than I've expected. Well, I've talked too much in the beginning, so yeah, it's a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, yeah, I'm analyzing more than 3 weeks these center boxes. Let me see here. Maybe you can see a pattern. Maybe I can see a pattern. Who knows? But we have here 5, 3, 6, 5, 3, 6, 7, 2, 1, 7, 2, 1, and 8, 1, 9. 8, 1, 9. We have 1 pair, I believe. Yeah. 1 pair. The 1. Okay. Thank you for watching. Have a great and fantastic Saturday. And yeah, we will meet again later on, maybe in the evening, with the other 3 puzzles. And tomorrow, the rest of the puzzles in the additional. So, until then, bye-bye for now.